What up, Africa? What up, people? What up, world? This is your boy Marijani, Africa's coolest team SC, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As I said one day ago, that this time I'm back, and I'm back for good. I'm kind of back because of I have to do a lot of things that I need to put in place, and I'm sorry for those people who are kind of couldn't get the sound really clearly. There's a lot of noise that is going on outside because right now I shifted from Lusaka West Apollo. I'm now in Chawama. That's where I'm running my businesses. So, and I'm making this video in my shop, and it's kind of noisy outside. You know how the ghetto is. The ghetto is full of noisy. So, and the mic which I'm using, they are very tough. They pick sound up to 2 meters away. So yeah, that's why you are hearing external noise that are coming through. Okay, so just in case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel now and turn on notification bell on so that you can never miss any content of my coolest videos. Let's try to push up to 7,000 YouTube subscribers, because right now I have 6,300 subscribers. Okay, so today's topic is it's a general topic that I need every subscriber to interact with. You know, as much as I want to see Zambia music grow, you also want to see Zambia music grow, and I feel like there are some artists in Zambia, or artists here, who have been who have never featured each other. They've never collaborated before, or some of them they did, but they did it at the wrong way back. So I was like, how about these guys, they do a song together? Or how about this guy and this guy collaborate, and what kind of a jam would they produce? You know, whereby we have seen a lot of artists in Zambia who, some of them is now 5 years, 6 years, they've never done a song together due to the fact that some of them they fought, some of them is because of personal reasons, some of them have never even done a song before, since the day they became celebrities up to now. So I was like, so I brought this discussion so that you and I, we can interact on my channel, on this channel. You can comment what you think, or maybe there are some other artists whom I haven't included in this channel that you feel like this guy and this guy, they can make a very good collaboration. So watch this video. Okay, so as I said earlier, that excuse the background noisy because I'm at a noisy place. So hope so that you be able to get the sound clearly. I did a bit of investigation and research. Yeah, for past a day. Some of these songs I never really heard them before, but I just went on internet and tried to figure out if I can search for them. So my first artists, I think I'll go with Drifter Trek and Nezlong. These guys, they are really awesome, and I love their music. Trek has got songs like Chibiti, Tiriche, Nisekelela, and when you talk about Nezlong, I'll go with songs like Keka, Vandam, and Kangwe. These were a really nice songs that I heard from these guys, and I feel like if these guys could collaborate, something big and positively could come out. Secondary, I'll go with James Sakala and Mumbayachi. Yeah, these guys are really awesome, and one thing that I love about James Sakala and Mumbayachi is that they all both have that type of culture, type of music. If you listen to James Sakala's music and you listen to Mumbayachi's music, you find out that the two, they've got something in common. James Sakala's music, such as Namfumu, Iluba, and Nilandileni, yeah, Nilandileni. Yeah, and Mumbayachi's music, yeah, I think I just got 3, though there are a lot on the internet. You can search for them if you want. The Mumbayachi's music, there is My Love, What Have You Done to Me, and Sugar Mami. Yeah, so if you look at these two's music, it's really awesome. They all talk about culture values. So if these two could collaborate, I feel like something big can come out. So On number 3, I think I'll go with J.O.B. and Bobby East. These guys have been friends from way back due to dispute. Yeah, these guys used to do music way back together. They were friends, but it has been long since these two had collaborated. As I said earlier, that some of them, they've never collaborated before, and some of them they did, but at a very, very wrong distance or wrong period. So songs of Bobby East and J.O.B., I think I've just found it on internet. Mafyompe Boys and Let It Drop. These songs were hit back then in 2013. And since 2013 to 2014, I've never heard any new song done by Bobby East and J.O.B. collaborating. So I could really wish to see these guys collaborate again. So on my number 4 list, I think I'll go with Tilo, Scott Zambia, and Yomaps. Yeah, reason why I've categorized these guys, 3 of them, is that these guys, they really have a very good voice when they are singing. Tilo has got hits like Because of You, FT Mumbayachi, Bandana, the current hit song which is Buzzing, and Ichishinka. Wow, Scott has got hits like Misunderstood, Perfect, as many more. Wow, Yomaps, this guy is good. We have got a lot of songs of Yomaps. Nibweze Kumoba, we got Finally, you got Kaleza. So I feel like if Yomaps, Scott, and Tilo, if these guys were to collaborate, I feel like something big may come out. Though I've never heard a song done by I've never heard any song by Yomaps collaborating with Tilo or Scott, but if they do, I'm sure the song will be a blast. Okay, let's move on to my number 5. I'm going with J Cash and Jovic. Yeah, J Cash and Jovic. For some of you who don't know Jovic, was J Cash and Jovic, they were once in same local label called Young Energy, where they had Alpha Romeo, Brisky, Jovic, and J Cash. Yeah, these guys, they did some songs together way back, but now I've never heard any song 3 or 4 years from now. Because songs like Chibaba, which featured Jovic featured Tishon and J Cash, and songs like Interview, which J Cash and Jovic did together, and the other song which I loved in 2013, it was J Cash and Jovic called Questions. Yeah, this is a really nice song that I really loved. I just hope that one day J Cash and Jovic, they may do a song together, which may be a blast. For me, I feel like this guys, it's awesome. And let me move on to number 6. On my number 6 list, I'll go with Muzo, Alfonso, and Makitu. You know, we all know that Muzo Alfonso was once in Kopala's Wide. Due to their personal reason, Muzo left the record label, was signed under Alpha Entertainment record, and I searched on internet. I just found that Muzo and Makitu only did one song called Go Nowhere. But if there is other songs that these guys they did, you can just record. You can just comment on my description comment part. I can see the song. But I feel like if Makitu and Muzo were supposed to do a song, I think the song would be a blast, because those two guys, they are all good and better. I feel like they are awesome. On my number 7 list, I'll go with Mampi and The Vows. Yeah. I wonder why great artists, they don't feature each other. You know, if you look at Mampi is one of the best Zambian female dance or type of artist. So do The Vows. Mampi has hits like Obe Pelefie, which he featured Bobby East. It's a very nice song. Inner Your Heart is also a very nice song, and a song which she did with 1 Billion called Masobela Yatu. yeah, if you also look at the Vows music, they did a lot of songs, but because of time and because of space, I'm trying to just get few. So the Vows did a song called Kalife, which they featured which guy Daddy Somana Wamkombon. The song was hit. I love the song. Sunkana FT Kekero is a wonderful song, and All My Love, which they did the remix with Eddie Kenzo. So if you look at the Vows and Mampi, they all both have that great type of music. It's a wonderful music which these guys, they are all best dancehall artists, and they do really have good music. So in case if you try to go back in XYZ history, you will discover that Steve-O Rap Guru was once in XYZ. And I think in 2014, that's when he left the label, claiming that he's going to school. But after, when he graduated, he couldn't resume being in XYZ. Instead, he opened up his own record label called Guru Nation. So I really could love to see Slap D and Steve-O collaborate, because way back, these guys, they did a lot of couple of songs together. There's a song which they did called it was Steve-O FT Slap D called Atambika. Yeah. Then there's a song which they did again, Slap D and Rap Guru called Paya Flow. And I think this was the other songs they did. Slap D, Bobby East, and Steve-O called Mate. Eventually, I could love to see Slap D and Rap Guru Steve-O collaborate, because it has been built since these two last did a song together, and I'm sure of if they could collaborate, the song would be a hit as well. On my number nine. I'm going with Muzo and Chef 187. Yeah, Muzo and Chef 187. These guys have this type of music, same type of music. But if you remember way back when Muzo and Shefi do a song together, the song was a blast and was a hit. So it has been built since Muzo and Shefi collaborated in a song before. But way back, Muzo and Shefi did a song called Nafimbi, which was a very, very good song. And the other song was Chafiwe Mbe Ichi. I don't know if there are other songs, but Shefi and Muzo Alfonso, I would love to see them collaborate again this year or next year, because I feel like if Shefi and Muzo had to collaborate, they can bring out the best out of Zambian music. On my number 10, I'm going with Roberto and FJ. So the way it is, Roberto is crowned as Zambia's R&B king of R&B. Then FJ calls himself king of R&B. So there is somebody who claims to be the king, and there is somebody who really is the king of R&B, because people chose Roberto. Maybe that's why Roberto and FJ, they don't collaborate, because of they're kind of fighting for one position. But if you look at Roberto has hit songs like Amarula, which had to brought the entire Africa and some parts of the world at large. I Am Into You. This song even won an award, yeah, African award, and Vitamin U, which he featured Vanessa Midi from Tanzania. And FJ has hits like My Feelings, which is a very good song, and Nibuela, Nibuela, which he featured Michael Brown, and Tandalila. I love Tandalila. It's one of my best songs by Roberto or by FJ, and so I feel like if FJ and Roberto had to collaborate, because they both have a very beautiful voice. So if Roberto and FJ had to collaborate, I feel like fire song would come through, you know. Last, what do you say? Do you say least but not the last, or last but not the least? I don't know any of the two. I'll go with Slap D and Shefi 187. I feel like this is the type of collaboration that almost every Zambian artist is waiting for, because Slap D and Shefi fans always beef to find out fans won't really know between Shefi and Slap D, who is the real king of hip hop. If you look at Slap D has got hits like Zuba. I don't really feel like talking about Slap D's hit songs. It's kind of disrespect to him, because the guy has got a lot of hit songs that if I started counting now, it may took me 100 hours for me to finish counting, because the guy has a lot of hit songs. So do Shefi 187. He's got beautiful songs. Yeah, and his legendary album Bon Appetit was one of the biggest thing in Zambia. So for me and for everybody out there, we could really love to see Slap D and Shefi 187 collaborate in a song. We really see who's really a king of Zambian hip hop. Yeah, so let's resume. As I said, that's a video. So in case if you have got some of the Zambian celebrities whom you feel like these two and this guy, if they collaborate, they can make a very wonderful team or a good song, you can just comment your thought on the comment section below, because this topic is only restricted for discussion. So I need you guys to discuss. As you know, Zambia is a big country in Africa. I cannot get every artist. Yeah, you know. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And this time, let's make it big, more than the way it was. So road to 7K subscribers. Until we meet again in the next episode of Africa's Coolest. See you in the next 2 days. Pour some liquor, chase to the future. Take a notebook, let the life be the teacher. All the bad guys that slept on me, have a good dream, not a gift from me. LSK, Zambia's Marijani. Only P cause if the deal is the money. I am on your TV, goddamn on the radio. I bought my own camera, never pay for a video. I put God first, that's my drill. I pick what I want, never feel the bill. Everybody